Muri muta hona ali mukali tugamba muta
tugarukire no rugambo ruba rugambo
tubantu nyumya bigenda maiso no rugambo
ibintu bitahije bitali byaita
so tukubara mukiya inywe na hali mukali
mwebale weekend ngira saze ndabunda gambe bale weekend bojoine
weekend
weekend bagiye bati tokura kyali kyakasatu
kali baitu kyakasatu era weekend tubatugirogire muno
nyowe kutandika show kutandika nimba ijukiza 23rd Mutebwa 23rd October Mutebwa eti-shirt ziri on sale
tokutura mulingo tunyumire
very
Tales of Julius Kyomuhendo so ziroho
ziroho only at 30k Uganda ni money sagamba ya za dola Uganda ni money
twale 3 ya dola iyo mtwale 3 ziri milioni 10
yeah so muje mutugure t-shirt sizin charge you support us
kila sente enyingi zo hakwata ziri zawo
nyaka kwata
murundi gumwe nyaka kwata ogo mutwara gwa dola that is mitwaro milioni kasatu na
yeah that is kwasi
okazikulu
ntazikula nyoti inkula bampabo
okazikulu
ntakule ola bapereza me capitation yangamba nkusima mama waye bale kukuza kulona nyagama
na simo bunuzi
kwa akabata kusima bunuzi abesonga akabata kandura ho
ateka koza
akabana simengeso
naiba serious
akabana simengeso dene byo bunuzi bya jamula itarona izire kuno
ya kuongerezini wala kabana kwa bagita advance
bagita bazanko gamba he's securing that obunywani to show that I'm coming for you
but miso mtu yakwahira mtwaro gumisa wa amani ataki ali
bamatabash baby
natakia okyamuro
nkyamuro na amani gona abagini mu ruga
hakakuwa miso mtwaro tiguli gwango muntu kuguha omuntu na muno mtu gutakarurahoga
but there are some people bali how can I say alima abantu aba baine mitima eri yogaba natural okimanyire
mitima yogaba ya definitely mbai ninjana gamba azina aruna abantu aba bazini batali wiringi kugaba definitely baro bayingi
aliho kuboina otakusobora gaba mutima gogaba otagoina then aliho kubo otaina kyonkano yefeereza ni kuogabe so that is that person but anyway he has yeah
so ati by the way hati boku bandu otyo abantu abandi baito kimayara aro nabantu abandi bananka bagira mune kisirana because umuntu aromwana okusakurura aina bintu byona yerungire bikibyondo bintu biri kisirana
ati nurugali kyo kwerunga aliho kwerunga okekora buli kimu kyono okenanka but naturally otaina bageta humor na blessing otagina na lako tagina kane ningeso otaina
baitu kampabuzi bine ebintu bibagamba kunabo urweza kayaya nabikora mali
ito mato bya tunabira kimoru bweza kayana omutango
no mwana mojja ina kubina
ali na brother bange babahambya bakazi bagira nka 10
baina sente
abakazi bamanya mukazi wa brother wange cyali brother wange ina iwe wenka cyali abakazi 10 ina iwe wenka niwe wakwenda abishikuma obahaye
baito kimanyire araba sajja bemanyenya tawoni hano wakusa kusimbise basi za linking kanizezo zabakazi
abamu naturally babaina ibabogeze katabamu
rugana hareki abakazi by the ukankuga ikintu kire abakazi these days bali desperate kandi na bible kakibazao iyo kimanyire bible ikabazo yagamba akaire kajja kwika abakazi nka 10 besiba musajjomba mugambe ijjo tuswere
kikumayisa geheneri hakwika
kiriyo mu toka tusoma gwa bible
ya mwana yenye titafa
ubanguruhanga kusa kunyamba kakirura kiriyo
kiri mu basi yanga
kiriyo KJV King James version kiriyo mbayinda kirukurura hano
osa kwamba kwa kitede mu favorite zaba ko takitede mu favorite
ya ntakiteke mu favorite baita amazima kiriyo ngo akaire kajja kuhika akaire kajja kuhika abakazi baingi bagye bagambe
bainga abakwesiba hobo bokusimbisa line abazonga naye bakangambo tahoma abenda kusimbisa basi hoyi mahani
basi nyo izo kusimbisa ezabakazi
abakwesibaho abakwenda abokwenda buying
kandi ate obuzibu n'obundi hali buba obunyasangire abaisiki bagira omuze guno obwakakurura bakakwetega wakiho otakumutegura nakukingura emparana natandika kubaza ebintu ebitakukengeka nakukingura eno byeri I don't know why
ekintu kiri boss genders by the way naitwe tulina abasajja bokumwanga nakukingura eno
I don't know why natandika kubaliza bigambo rugana halekyo oli natandika nakugitandika kubaza ebigambo bibi ogata hati nyo kandi na saa zino by the way entaro nezinde ezibako inforanti bakundwana those are some of the reasons those are some of the reasons
obokanura imaginations
no but kandi let me tell you
alokina kintu muntu kuba oli hali nakwegomba natera mugo busana tino bwakuteramu busana nakujuramu
ekale basigale haleki but kandi it naito itwena nikyo kimnyona nyokileya nyinda abantu bemba ninyegomba ninga hamusyoga abaire kumpawo hey
batera kali ngyonga ambirege mitimene kolani okana iwe bwokukwana omuntu akakwanga aliono kumfura munywani wa mukwaino ni munywani lakimu mutana ntabuka ine yona kyonka yakozereki yagambe Julia so nyokozereki
nyamba sikya bakanyanga mubomezi banga I think balinka babiri
nagamba kwa then wagambire kwa nole mota muide hemparaine we have even those people no mwanga
I don't know kumfura munywani wao
nole mota muide hemparaine back to ine yobano onyangire kali
na kukingura hempara ati kandi ati wa hakiri no musajja bayizira kugambi baitoli omosi musikini moskese zanta bakozero obuntu wao muri organizing muroleho nolema kumururaho hate kyakora na kingura hempara neri
oya kubana ora kuno mukona yakuru nakuri hona no kandi oli wakabumu
some
omukamanya bagana bakazi bayinga bahina
some of them they are not worth us
by the way
kakugambire otali desperate kileya not every man deserves your body
anti nyeke onkimanyire nikyo
limitations not every man itasemere kutahamu kandi na not every woman itinyina kumutahamu. Yes,
that is very true.
Ekyo that's life. Niko kikali.
Sometimes not accepting that the reality.
Yes. Hati omuntu nogano mukingura hemparana nogano mutandika mubalirize bigambo biri
manye haze man even hazo mukazi tikikumayisa mbo muntu wena kaize yangambaho nyina koraki kukoikiriza no nyina kubona no musajja wenda tikirika mangubo kamurabira ho mbayisa ja kugambaho no people have preferences
Protestant preferences kuba atinyoti nyenda bakazi
ayokuraba ina amaguru gawe irimbali gole tayenda bembaliga yedoli mulungi hafeso nanga
hati nyo mukazi arokuba oli murungi ota betu bendika kuroina kino
kibafuno baite
kyo secondly bendika kuroro konere engaro weyereze
mama
no kuba no photo.
I have a friend of mine
I don't even get
takoragana nabana abaina zin obo buntu
the truth is nanyoti funa pateti yaba bakazi
no bobo oli munywani ngwa yakumekinga jana gamba tunankayo those people
na nyowo dikunika mazima na nyoti nja kuduka
how would you start with someone akwenda ko changing a skin color how do you know they had to by changing a
so hati nyo no bokuba no kunyetera ho ibintu ebi
bibiti
oina kinu nabo no bukonero no bugaro obuhanso bugere
kamuhoire cyane
no bokukorota
kandi wagenda akabunyiriza bona bukaruga haho genda
ino kabutanguhire kabafana bu atogenda kusanga
ateka musente biro binu sente
bakusinga banu bannako
era cyane
bekokosa products
okura no kuyereza nako kwenda sente
ero sanga ndo bagamba okoyeza kwa bei yes kwa bei but ati you are using cheap products
ati ni wokoze ibintu biri cheap
you are using cheap products
okweza kunu kwendo muntu ali wakati ngambe ali so classy ijukali yenkinzo yemtwaro eba ye milioni mukitweka eba ya buli mwezi eyo ina kwetera ati no mchali mukazi wangu
gire new winga buli mwezi togisobora but there's something even I realized iyo kimanyire nka abajunga abenda ku dating abafrika benda bana batarugire mu kalaza abali nacho
black like me
abali natural rundi yaba abasazire no isoke abataina manya biwigi manya
ati okulora abajunga abakiro they may surprise you aija kuija agambe unkokale iwe obe hali you so classy okujwara wigs za we okusibe isoke aija agambe me I love my woman when she's tall dark asazire isoke alitintingira oba asazire isoke ali natural like African hair you naenda how
but the truth is obuskinko uturabuzo kaburungi
muno
obusiye obusazire kurunga kaso kurungi
muno
or maybe kale
leave alone the cuts ali abasala na sala kaso kaini kaingana kurungi hamu
aha then only the fashion can go maybe asakuteka mwakangwe
they look cute.
By the way they don't complicate life I don't know why
they don't akana okora nyo ngira seasonal life by the way nja kuja ngambe ne myezi nkebiri oba 3 nja kusiba braids ningimara ibunka gimarayo ningamba the following month ngenda kutintinga isoke ndisaziremu nikyo nkora ningande following month yokujora wig
ata abandi abasajja abantu bazanke ebyo ebintu abakazi bagamba abakwa muri bakopi timu kwenda kusibisa abasajja isoke manya biki but really
bite ndabakazi alime mitwe etakusara isoke tugarukire yoga okimanyire
that is ekyo kiriyo
aliye mitwe etajja kusala isoke kyamo kikirize aigale braids oba wig
aina aina enkona mutwe enkona inagiswekesa wigi
kugambi
baliyo
nao baliyo so chat okweza kun derowe
nayo wakategeza kwezi rwamanya
ndeka
rwamanya
tikani jabuga
bakazani nkujja kurora ombuziro for how many months
nogena kundwa yangalukanye na morwa yero
abandi nye bajana ko babinga habyaro bataki abayijuka noga ndi muhara wananka
ati nyuma ze myaka enga
omba nanka kataliyo babwa
yeleze bwenye kankamba I've been too exposed to life tinyakubanya yereze bwenye kusenya bene yenda ko yese nyakubanya yereze ire kigitanya kwasire mwite because one thing those things when you bobano weyeza by the way I've been with people even I've been near people tikiriga mambo bambo hate obakike those people have a bad odor
ebidanka binunka
they have a bad odor you get it they have a very bad odor
binunka that is the truth ebe ebintu ebiri cheap ebyo bibina muno mabi abihire mananka
when they sweat mkwana banawo mujimba
atara abandi bibagambire ti babyesigane bajja kunaba bajja kubyama ati sasiro musajja kubyama no
alhamu kaza balete gama magezi cyali kampereze yabakoyeza kambezi ya magezi alamu kaza balete gama magezi yagambo kubano manyo musajja wagenda kuija ijuka bagambegenge kigita kikoyeze iki kikora mukiro
niko bagambira
mukiro muno no
babyesiga bakusingane bajja kubyama
mukiro bagambire gati no musajja barabana garukango musaha mukaga kwata wesige kigita kiya utanika saha ibiri baha relaxing saha itanu gendo nabo byanga kigita kijja kukolera
but gonze bantu
nikota nukiriza musajja kigita
gonze abantu bagamba anti fine buli muntu ine kyakwenda but really abaki why don't you accept mulingu ruhanga yakwangire
kandi manye kisekesa some people bayeza nazoka
kubinu no murosinga yabaira na ali anachura kusigalire yali kikuali kurungi
yonga mera akafita kanya ikaliremu oli yangamba but you know clear o bleaching ile kokwa munka mugamba fire stane kulesere kugaze
bojo nkutenda makasa no bleaching
ngamba fire sitane kulesere kugaze
kandi nukumanya ensi ya sisikaire na abasajja biro binu bakigwa
iwe
toba maya basai
alonda bankumanya around town
yala abasajja bemanyire bakakigwa
nkugambi ati mbaiti kankamba uze baliko real omusajja ebintu ebimu katikale katubirekera abakazi hati nuko omusajja okugota mukikebeke ebigita kiki muno
awo no sanga na waino omukazi akwana na muikiriza how do you abakazi how do you fall for a man ya bleaching you are going to compete for ebigita
for black lips atero mutera makasani for black lips nomsajja nayo inofune para pambia mfeso monkebe biba bitatu
ne barwana nabyo
notanikana yokurwana nabyo tatatu
amukazi bakuba na yesiga no mukazi na musajja na yesiga nabi byonka bisaba tabura nti koyo kuno ko salingi muno iwe nabi byonka bisaba tabura
utakuzirege byawe bintu nkebe
bite wewe chonka iten hot where aho tubaramukize nyo na hali mukali mutabihirwa just tubantu bazo opinions zaitu
kaite no
but we are not judging anyone who kwesige bita but didiale me would love someone kusigara hanacho yawe kuba you know hey atingo umweza mfoka barungi
akinokola nyokura sometimes nsano kutwala like 2 weeks into series just because imbe bigita binkozesa na naturally my skin is oily oil ya skin yange yonkane egalukana reflecting ngana iteka haiguru nisobora nisana kayesigi chonka trust me umuntu ayesige kigita tasobola kutwala 2 days atahimire because
that is it. By the way genye ndakukaguza wakatoza ugo mulimo
nyo
like job hunting kutoza mulimo na applications bikebyo
nyaka kutoza ho
have you met a boss akagamba kuho mulimo kubanza kubyamana nyo
yeah
you gave in
nyawe ninkiasoma I have my big sister mwenda mu Mameta Gloria, my big sister. My mentor, actually, sometimes mweta my mentor. So my big sister wakangamba. Ninkiasoma wakaba maziro already by the way. Yangamba, Claire. The day you will go to hunt for a job and a man akakugamba, give me your body. I give you a job. Just get your CV, come back home. So that is my motto. I've never gone somewhere all akangamba. Atin by the way, I actually even remember I had a friend of mine. Omusika katozo mulimo. Omusajja namugambaga, I'm busy. Oba kamweza CV. I'm busy. Obuyagitore yamugamba, I'm going to call you to tell you when to start working. Then biyamtele yamugamba, I'm busy, I was busy right now.
Amugamba abandi babagamba Jonsanga hano hotel.
I'm busy, I was busy bichi, but I'm going to call you. When biyamtele yamugamba Jonsanga hano like in home by na meeting. Kuija around here town. Some hotel no yamwese. Yamwese Jamsanga amugamba tine ebintu bimanyire nnyo kukwangwiza kulabyaho oina kumpeze sente zitibate sente bokubota zina we can do this and this. Nani musikire.
Kumurabya kandi no yabaire boss yo banawe ali HR.
Alinko bagamba HR kukulabyaho oina kola kinu na kinu akamugamba oina kuleta sente ziti by that time alimu situations is to come when there is a certain of amount yokwenda kyonko takusobora gig yakando tena nambalo genda giha for that meanwhile yamugamba eze sente bizabazi kulemere tukusobora kola kinu na kinu tukimali nkulabyo nsikwa bakagaruka mukabe mwe yanga matinyo kale yange ndakola ngende mu musajja namugamba idi ikara emiri meja kujo muri moguraba guri gwa gwije mutalo by the way na bintu byogaba manyanga sokompe manyana nyewe nkweno we have some actually serious bosses abali serious and genuine on their works atagenda kutalibaniza abakozi baje
nyaro ne business zemanyire business zemanyire zikugwa because into boss akwaka chwambuli musikya kujja business haina kubyamana because at in the first place mukozi ogobo yamana who doesn't respect you abana kurura ha leveli no bogya kumuragira abanarura mulingo wakuziremu
why would you shout at me bintu ngebe why would you shout
and naturally umuntu bokubo wabyamire nawo wokujja kumuchomera
oina mulingo mukwataho
okay so
tujakuja ngame nankayo kugamba nankayo ivuje nagama
so ideally I think abasajja baina kufuga emibiri
ati yobendo kwanaha
nyondora abantu abahero ati tokura atinka iwe bajeni bara basiki bakitaraga people abantu bakinteka ombyamana but the truth is nkabya magana iwe kile tukwata kyasa kora bine tukwata kyasa bikora
sawa tukusobora kora
I'm telling you
oja kungamba jasaziti ngabe nankaye nayi wesako
bikuba bifokere byana nka even the jokes zinu zikuba zitakiya roho naturally you understand
naturally when people do this I think exchanging between those people how they were behaving before they did something
hati kandi to make matters worse roho na abasajja kandi ababyamana ba housemates babo no musango musajja omukazi akaleta omukozi omusajja juka babuleta cyali musikezi maybe busiukire biki
nibakalisa nikabuta
hati batandika kalisa lisa okanyanyirira musajja nabyamana.
Those things are very common. Those things by the way interview with my families. Abantu bayina my families kyonka bintu bakora ba mubingi.
Nyoto kuraba saga nya abantu ahero ko bagamba Julius ata mwenzi. tokulaba sagamba of course nsabutakia kana kwambia amana abakazi tembya amana abasajja kyonka nyo wale ebintu bintasa kwikawo ngumbya meno mukozi mbya meno housemaid
nowe lugana kyo kubya amana abakozi we have men binu have brought sister wangu mutu to stay with us home na kutaiminga ali hamulimo
aba byama nabo
live alone that one ovogamba ali ono kuba bali under age twinama bali under age na timingo mukazi ali hamulimo and the guy comes back home
na mukaka no mukazi no mumisisa anaba basiba bani benda
hura aliho kukaka we have some people otetekeza mitima ekwisane twina abantu abali naturally mitima yao bali down but believing iramu but I know that power of ogamba mbonyosa kwemera nkakolaki nkabaza okula nyewe there is some things you can do to me and I don't keep quiet mkwano
okabaza
nkabaliza straight forward
ata bandi
then alima bandi natina na nkakutina na nkakukuta
boraka bibaza
ngam ha dera ba mwito tubana sister wetu bali bakabwe ngam mama
no bakuba ba maid no byakuba maid ata ba maid abandi
boraki hura
amgamba kirora akakigamba madam
ogenze
ati naba yoko nachulerera yoko
that is torture by the way mental omuntu ogotasigara right those people batiraka live alone bana begonde izemanya they are all bona alima bo sister bokuleta sister wawe ali mukuru ati nonkanyoka ntola ma sister wange ndi mukuru
na arona yokugenda okaba na mission ina kutwara
alona nyoge na nyina mission kagamba wewe ngenzire yoga
nyonyi no misiaka anyimiza akaleta sister we ali muvaka muvaka ya senior 4 muvaka yake senior 4 senior 6 maiki yakozere akamalira no atwaire ijuko mukamusiki iwo sitawo mukuru yagendaga natura onna asigara hano muka hato musajja we nafuna obiri nagaruka musana nibasibaho bahamu
hatina ugira alebe had my friend akanyumiza story yangamba akangamba Claire yotofunira heart breaks nyonga funa heart break yotalifunaho yotakafuna akangamba yangamba akaija munju yasanga omusajja waye ali na sister waye mu bedroom ni bali mukunanka yaikaraho bamuhura no muhura kyonga bamaliriza bene babaye ni bakora nibo baturukayo amugamba why kikinu kyokoze nalo yamugamba ngenze kusanga iwe ebinkwenda tobina
omusajja nukuraga
ono ni wabina nyagamba imagine seeing your sister ali yawo nawe I made hamsajja omusajja akugamba ebyo byona tayine kyakoleka mu nogamba mbu bana people have hearts tayina no kwemera nkugamba by angle like this is my sister kanyefunye mu mutima banange what I'm doing it's not right kyonka kama sister yake emerao nayo yamutunora yamugamba omusajja akomere munyowe
no wenkunyumize ata akaruga haho wakaifora nka jwahire kuikara haho yagenda yampangishiriza umusajja yampangishiriza agenda kifuzonzora iba afunire mukazi ondo wafunire ali sister.
Can you imagine?
That's why nyonko ngamba abantu kireya otali bagoli maka okatwara sister wo maka gawo don't do it
atuna kulora
don't do it to avoid the bintu ntunke abako abantu emitima yaukana
antakula emitima yaukana
kandi nabasajja
kandi kisigire kira na families nambalo kulire by the way ali mu families ezina bad poor upbringing zo families wakalaga mu family ali mu family bachwira ngainemu boruganda bacho family yone eri separated
ata roba nungu manya kazini manya biki
nyawe kazini you don't have to come to my place
no byakoba sister wa mama wao abukwe mitime yaukana kireya no baraba iyo mama omulingo yakukulize asakuba yaukaine mulingo noli bamukulize kandi ne kintu ekindi ito abasajja bokuleta sister wao oisano ndeteire omukazi wa kabiri
but not all men
no
another thing
not all men
not actually even
not all men
sisters.
but you know abasajja bakusinga majority baba nkembwa that is the fact
that is bad
bukamuleta
alone tuturuge hali bine byogamba ono yeikiririzege but we have these people who are doing rape
na
mukwata kandi lugalona ayo baza no kukwata omuntu tikibamba oli ali under age they can atinukanye omuntu asakunyeka kansingire gamani that is also what raping someone we have those people ni barepinga bakozi ni barepinga ba sister banya abantu niyo atine kinkwe fasa izinga
na mugambo utabaza
kinkwe fasa izinga omukozi wona obo molestire muka try to make that mukozi otaba hash be a friend togo mukozi mulete to be opening up to you. Abe nali open to you nyona mwetwale muli banywani leka kuba harsh to her bazana okulunga bensonga okula abakozi bantu sometimes there is no need of shouting amukozi ni bwakole kintu there is even when na mbologe na mugambo nkwenda malokole kinu nakikola atali kubaza with a harsh whatever omukozi mwolike yo family sister wa wenyini bana abato boleke that you can talk to them mutabakanga kubambu like to an extent they to an extent do you know some things happen in families, people have been raped, people you know abakozi bana ba sister banyi bikebe but akusobora coming out to tell the people they are living with because these people bakwetwaranka bakambwe nyonta hamukambwe asino nagamba nagamba bunku mugamba ninyo basakukora
asa
bunku mugamba takunyekirizamu
it is actually two way even in abana baitu ndiyo kimayara abana baba ni batina na bazaire babo
hatu nyokura bazaire bangu bona I try to make sure actually what they are them no bakozere they are my best friends. I'm very open with my mom, I'm very open na daddy wangu.
Do you know abakazi abana bandi bafire ni bayamwenda akimanyire nti bakukigambira nyina awayisa mu isiri nagamba kangihemu nafwa nagiha
alimu no mwisikia ngamagana ngamba dadi wabo pokatwale ndaho baina kutera egende rugamba
hati kandi kyakubaire kirungino baza kurungino omwana wawe
agenda akole bintu bitali right afwa mutandike kuchura harufu omwana afu kyonka kana kyarugire you people are not making connections in families by the way bino byone actually biba be happening go biruga basically basing the upbringing omusingi ngwe families zitukurugama alimu families zitakwikara hansi ko bagamba like their family uruganda bona becwira chwire mbati banya ba brothers ba sisters bona becwira chwire mu there is nobody you can talk to mukabaza kitu kiri sensible becwira chwire nempara niho zirugira
nyoka katanya kanyo nyoma ine kitu ekindi kyemanyi ati nyonyina basistange babiti tibota you can imagine to live tato mamo
okula nyogo sisango kugambire my mentor tuwehondera turadu bagamba bana behondera tusakwamu with pulling ropes but nsigala muna kala kagamba ninyo muntu utasobola kusanga nkasanga sistange na marabya megali nkemera mba abasanga anjumirege muka banyanko zegata nsigala muna kala kama mwanga kangama this is my old sister have respect her, I have to be there for her. Era nawe niko kikaba. Buno bokukuna na bunu bamwe bwabasikiba nabasiki.
Ate kya family kuba ni bakwatagana kibakizibo muno kibakizibo. Most cases kibakizibo.
But okumanyire mbu we have abasajja bamutimanye how they do it. Baina bana from different abakazi but abana bali kintu kimu.
But auntie it is really rare.
Bali kintu kimu otakusobola kuja nokubawukaniza. Ni batahanga nambati otakusobola kenga onu mwana wolo mukazi onu mwana wolo mukazi bona abakazi bona abana bona nibetaba abakazi abo ba mama
atinyo bali ba sister bange mama omutato mbaitu tibota
watch king
tibotera kim so kireba kumweta kugenda kuba emirimo yakabumba yakwikiriza esho mwebale munaba ikaire numuthondera
jeri mirimo yakabumba ranga iwe ranga
banzo bazena we
onu friend wange lekanso kempole yakunganga hello Ndai kuija. Kale ndai kuika.
Kalera gabantu.
Chali mwebale kuturora no kutugonza no kutufollowinga. Chali mutufollowinga hagundi ha YouTube. Tukanda kuza YouTube yaiteze na views. Leave alone subscribing but you subscribe view like and comment
ze yongere
ze yongere obwingi abamuchali mugenda yeme ni murora kyonkanda and you forget to do what to like and even subscribing. Another thing nyoti ngenda kwewa kuranga
tales of Julius Shemwe
tales of whatever
abana nkuko bagamba abasi
viewers nkabagamba bangamba tugenda kutandika collecting tugenda kwa sonda amatu list twesonde ba obutebonka bubiti bwa viewers batulo hadi abantu twabanyira abantu ba viewers tene viewers family okwo
abantu basindika message nanyi mu group ege mugintekemu nanyi mu group ege mugintekemu
babanyire ebiriyo ba
so mwebale muno tuondera nikale kurungi mbaye
Kitara TV kwegesa kumanyisa